Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you can easily update your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, open the app and click on the robot. Now click the gear icon in the top right corner and click on About Deebot. Here you have Update and click it. Here you can also enable automatic update. And here click Update Now to update the robot. Now you need to return it to the station and it will update by itself. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.